So save. Don't say, I will save after spending. Always say, save first and then spend later. Next, make money work for you compulsory. You require to invest. You require to invest in SIP or mutual funds or fixed deposits or business reinvestment, rental assets, skill investment, digital products or safe income generating assets like that. Anywhere. So wisely, better to invest. Make money to work. Next, take advice from wise people. Take advice from wise people. Don't blindly trust random WhatsApp messages. Random WhatsApp messages. Next, unverified YouTube tips. Next, relatives without experience. Next, friends who are also confused. People promising guaranteed high returns. Don't trust these things. Sir, in WhatsApp some link came. I followed that. At the beginning, 3 or 4 months, I got returns wonderful. But why? Once I invested more, my money gone. Some people are going to feel. Okay? So, super opportunity, guaranteed profit. Everyone is doing it. Only few slots are available. Returns is very high. Such type of traps, don't fall. Okay? Avoid impossible returns and tricksters. Impossible returns and tricksters. Double money schemes. Next up, fake trading groups. Next up, Ponzi schemes. What is the meaning of Ponzi? Ponzi schemes? Ponzi. Ponzi. Have you ever heard about this one?
Yes, sir.
No.
What is
It's
that word?
like if we refer any person to the business, we will
Okay.
get the commission.
Okay.
And by our reference, many people join the business. And if they refer other people, from that also we will get the money. I
Okay.
think
Okay.
it's
Network
just similar
marketing.
to that.
Multi-level
Network
multi-level
marketing.
marketing kind of thing. Chain
Marketing.
marketing kind of thing. Yeah. Okay. So Ponzi schemes, gambling apps, betting. Next, 10% monthly guarantee, emotional pressure investments. Okay, like fake crypto or online earning promises. Like don't fall in those traps. Okay. So the 3 golden takeaways for you people. Wisdom is always greater than money. Remember that. Wisdom is always greater than money. First, improve. First, improve your wisdom. I mean, you require to learn. First, gain the knowledge, and then automatically you can create wealth. So even you got the money without knowledge, that money is not going to stay for you people forever. Compulsory you require to gain the knowledge. That thing is the most important. Wisdom is more important than money.